How to change date format in Microsoft List. In this video, I'll show you how to change date format in Microsoft List. So to get started, go ahead and open Microsoft List into your browser, sign into your account, and then open that specific list where you want to change the date format. So once you're on the list, go ahead and click on the date section in here. So click on the date section, and then under that, you'll be able to find this column settings. So go ahead and click on column settings and then click on edit. So once you click on edit, there would be a pop-up at the right side of your screen. So in here, to be able to change the date format, what you can do is to disable the friendly format. So once you disable the friendly format, the date would be displayed along with the year. But if you enable it, the date would be displayed with the date, month, and day only. So you can also use a calculated value if you prefer that. So once we save this, the date would be changed into a different style wherein the year would be shown. So that is how you can basically change date format in Microsoft List. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.